Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ramadan is finally here, a month of mercy, reflection, and incredible reward. And at Cambridge Central Mosque, this year is all about honoring the Qur'an. Ramadan is the month in which the Qur'an was revealed, a time to reconnect with it, to reflect on its meanings, and to bring its guidance into our lives. This year, we invite you to do just that. Join us every night for Taraweeh prayers, led by our Imams with heartfelt recitation of the Qur'an. And during the day, we'll have special recitations just before Dhuhr and Maghrib, so you can immerse yourself in its words throughout Ramadan. You can practice your own recitation in daily drop-in sessions with our Imams and teachers between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Our weekends are filled with exciting children activities, including engaging storytelling, lively performances, and hands-on arts and crafts, creating a fun and enriching experience for all. We're also bringing you exclusive online content so you can benefit wherever you are. Every day, we'll be sharing a special Quranic dua, giving you a chance to learn and reflect on some of the most powerful supplications from the Book of Allah. And every week, we'll have 3 incredible series featuring Sheikh Abdul Hakim Murad, Sheikh Jibril Alao, and Mufti Abdurrahman Mangera, unpacking the theme of relationships within the Qur'an, reflecting on revelation, and exploring key Qur'anic principles that we can apply to our daily lives. And of course, we're excited to announce the return of the Ramadan show. This year's guest will once again offer deep, meaningful conversations that tackle the big questions of faith and how the Qur'an can guide us through them. And as always, Ramadan TV is back, bringing you inspiring Islamic documentaries and exclusive content from across the Ummah. The Prophet ﷺ said that charity extinguishes sins like water extinguishes fire. And what a better time to give than the month of Ramadan, in which deeds are multiplied. With our day-by-day system, you can set up a daily donation starting from as little as £3, so that every single day of Ramadan is filled with reward. And in the spirit of this blessed month of the Qur'an, we are delighted to share a special gift with those who support the mosque this Ramadan, a beautifully designed Cambridge Qur'an. With this token of appreciation, we hope to share the beauty and blessings of the Qur'an with you. And for our younger ones, we have something exciting too. Kids can take part in a special fundraising competition using their creativity and passion to support their mosque, with exciting prizes to be won. So let's make this Ramadan truly special. And from all of us at Cambridge Central Mosque, Ramadan Mubarak.